Hi everyone, my name is Rajendra Raul and I welcome you all to my channel End of Ignorance. Friends, today I will demonstrate you couple of experiments that will help you understand Newton's first law. This experiment can be tried at home. So why delay? Let's get started. Newton's first law of motion, also called as law of inertia, which states that a body at rest will stay at rest or the body in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This law applies to all objects regardless of its size and mass. For conducting this experiment, you require one glass, one piece of paper, and any object. I have taken one chess piece. You can take any ball or any coin or anything. For that, you have to put any other object above the paper piece, and after that you have to flick it like this. And exactly what happened, I have applied the external force to the paper, but according to the Newton laws of motion, according to the Newton first law of motion, this chess piece was at rest, okay, but due to gravity it falls. In addition to it, we can also say that due to external force that is generated due to flicking of my finger, this paper plate changes its state from rest to motion. Now coming to the second experiment. For this experiment, I have taken one knife, and this is not a multi-purpose knife. This knife is only used for cutting the vegetables. And this is one potato I have taken, and you can take anything. You can take onion or ginger. For conducting this experiment, I have taken potato. Okay, I have inserted the knife inside the potato. Now, let me demonstrate one thing. If I hit at the tip of the knife, what will happen? Now look, the potato will go up or it will fall down. Let's see. So it is coming up. What exactly is going on in this experiment? Well, I am hitting the knife and knife is moving downward, but due to Newton's first law of motion, potato is at rest and trying to be at rest and moving upward. Now coming to the second part of Newton's first law of motion, we state that body in motion will stay in motion. Now here the potato is moving downward and following the Newton's first law of motion. So we state that body in motion stays in motion. Hey friends, if you enjoyed my content, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you. Dhanyawad.